welcome to another episode of How to Do video series from Hello24.ai. Today we're going to learn about the most important topic in creating a chatbot on the WhatsApp platform, which is how to build a specific WhatsApp chatbot with multiple response menus or options, which is highly useful when you want your audience to see two various different product categories or various two different types of products via the chatbot conversation marketing tool, which will be very effective to drive conversations and get your customer to purchase better and dashboard and click on workflows and get a dashboard on. And what you can see on my screen is on the left side, you need to first start off by adding the start node. The next option is to click edit, and the title basically says for your internal purposes. So you could very well mention saying that product category ensure to always check with this box so that once the chatbot gets triggered with any message that your customer initiates and not just by plain text like hey, hello, start, restart. So here you could assign the chatbot with welcome message, we could say, and go to the predefined options here. Say choose an option, you could very well mention that product list is what you could give it to. Go down, save it. The next step would be to take and pick in the multiple choice box. Always ensure to connect it first before you start. Tag it the product list, and then the multiple choice box you could again, since we have a constraint of 20 characters, you could just mention product category. This is just for the menu options. And you could say product category A and assign product category B. Save no. The next step is to add products categories. So we have two product categories. Just duplicate the box here, and initially what you'll do is connect product A category, connect product B category. Edit. On the drop down, select the right product which is tagged on from your Shopify or WooCommerce website, and the second B product tag shoes, or for the example we have shoes here, or the second product category. That's it, and your chatbot workflow is ready, and your chatbot is ready to go. Always ensure that the chatbot is turned on and save it. After saving workflow, now we would take a live demo of how this impacts with WhatsApp platforms. So here we are at the WhatsApp screen. So I just texted a message says hello, and let's see what the chatbot says. It triggers the product list as per our product group. So I select product list here, and then it should show me category A and B. I select category A, and if you recall, category A was shirts and product category B was shoes. So just to show you, product category said shirts, I just click on product category also, so that it just shares the shoes too. So if the user wants to buy, the user needs to just check on view items and go here, add a product and add to cart, and that's it. We're good to go. Thank you so much for your time today.